You had months like this too, when the month has gone by and your money is passing through your hands? I know I had, even when I said to myself, this month I will save more money. And at the end of the month, it didn't work out. Again. But why? Where's all my money going? Years passed by of just getting by until I started to listen to finance gurus like Dave Ramsey, who claims
a written budget, a detailed budget, will make you feel like you've gotten a raise.
A raise? There's no way in hell budgeting will make that huge of difference, but I couldn't afford to be skeptical. Let me tell you from my experience what I have found out if budgeting is worth it and by how much I could increase my savings rate. When I started budgeting, I downloaded a free app. Quick spoiler, there's so many free and good budgeting apps out there. Don't waste your money on any premium versions. You can also use the old school version, a spreadsheet. The key is to find a system that works for you. I started to collect all my monthly bills such as rent, utilities, insurance, subscriptions such as Netflix and Spotify, and my mobile plan. Now, every time I buy something, I take out my phone and write it in my app. Was at the grocery store, paid, received the receipt, put the numbers in my app and labeled it as groceries. Bought something online, took my phone out, typed in the numbers and labeled it. Filled up my car with fuel. You get the point. Takes maximum 5 seconds. At its core, a budget is a plan for your money. It allows you to be intentional with your spending, ensuring your hard-earned dollars go towards what matters most to you. A big misconception I had was that I would be able to save more money when I would earn more, but I was so wrong. I even spent more than before. After starting my budget, I could see that I wasn't very wise with my money, and years later, I see that in my mom too. Back when I lived next to her in Germany, I could see how many packages were arriving every week. Online shopping. And she always justified it with, it's just for your sister, or it's been a while since I bought stuff for me. I get it. I was like that too. End of the month, I had some money left. Why not order the limited beige Nike Air Max? And soon, I had more sneakers than I ever needed, and years later, I do not own any of them anymore. The first thing I noticed was being aware of what I spent my money on, and I was less impulsive with my purchases because I had my budget in the back of my head. I noticed how much money I was wasting on drinks and snacks. Spending around $50 on lunch every day doesn't sound a lot. Until I multiplied by 20 working days, which is $300 per month. $300 less in my bank account just because I was too tired to cook last night. If I hadn't done a budget, I might still wonder where my money is going. After a month of listing my expenses myself, I was able to slice up all unnecessary expenses. This allowed me to be more comfortable and prevented me from overspending my money on useless things. And every time I have an extraordinary month, I know that I need to hold back more for the next month. It's all about having a good balance. Now, if you're anything like me, you're very ambitious. Budgeting made me realize I could make saving my money into a game. First month, $300 saved. The second month, $450 saved. Third month, $700 saved. For month 4, I was able to save $1,000 of my salary. Making savings into a game also let me remain calm when I was laid off from my job. I saved so much that I was able to get through 6 months without any additional income. Just another healthy side effect of a budget. If there's anything you learn from my story is that starting a budget not only boosts your savings rate, but you work on your money behavior and overall money confidence. Building a healthy relationship with money is a journey, not a destination. There will be months where your savings rate are higher than others and sometimes lower than usual. But just like in life, you will always have ups and downs. The most important thing is that you stay consistent on your budget and don't give up. Doing all of these things opened my eyes to one extremely important thing, and that was my retirement. Doing budget showed me how much I needed to save for my retirement, and in the next video I will go much deeper into that. See you there, my friend.